Sometimes duplicated code is better than abstracted code, and here's the proof. Imagine you write a simple function to validate user input. Then you create another one for validating API response. They look almost identical. Same logic, same pattern. Your inner perfectionist yells, "Dry principle, don't repeat yourself." So you merge them into a single, clean abstraction. It feels great for about 3 days. Then the API validation suddenly needs custom error handling, and your once beautiful abstraction turns into a mess of if and else's. That's called premature optimization, the hidden cost of chasing perfectionism. It looks clean at first, but ends up slowing you down. So when should you actually apply the dry principle? Forget counting duplicate lines. Before abstracting, answer these 3 questions. Number 1, will these pieces of code evolve together or independently? Number 2, do they serve the same business requirement or they just look similar? Number 3, if requirements change, will those changes happen in the same way? Check this scenario. You're building an e-commerce system and you need to calculate taxes with different rates. The first occurrence, California sales. The second occurrence, Texas sales. They're nearly identical. Let's ask the prediction questions. Will these evolve together or independently? Together. The logic is the same, only the rate is different. Do they have the same business purposes? Yes, both calculate the price and the tax for a sale. Will changes happen in the same way? Definitely, if you add rounding rules, currency formatting, or discounts, all states need it. And you can already see this will expand. More states, more countries, and more tax types. So this is a perfect time to abstract early. By the way, before we check the other scenario, if you want more practical tips like these that you can apply immediately, I send out free emails about clean code principles and lessons that don't make it into videos. Link is in the description below. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe at any time. Now let's look at a case where abstraction looks right, but it isn't. Imagine you're building a web app and you have a requirement to format timestamps for both audit logs and user notifications. At a first glance, they are identical. Your brain says, perfect candidate for the dry principle. But let's slow down and ask some questions. Will these evolve together or independently? Actually, independently. Audit logs are for compliance. Notifications are for user experience. Do they have the same business purpose? Not truly. Audit logs are for legal and debugging purposes, while user notifications are for communication. Will changes happen the same way? Not at all. Audit logs might need UTC formatting or legal precision. Notifications might need localization or friendly formatting. They just look the same right now, but give it a couple of months, they won't. So since they have different futures and goals, keep them separate. So next time you encounter 2 places with similar logic, don't rush into abstracting it. You know the rules now. Ask the 3 questions I told you about to help you decide better.